Hello Year 9. The purpose of this video is to build further on the research skills that you've developed to date. This is a slightly more sophisticated focus, but honestly anyone can use this strategy. It's open to anybody with the determination to find quality resources and to find more of them. What you're going to do is use a search engine called Google Scholar, which basically has a whole lot of articles that are very useful for students, to find articles that you might be able to locate at the State Library of New South Wales. We're going to use these terms in Google Scholar: women, history, unionism, and Australia. They're our topic words, and we're going to add JSTOR because that's the name of the database or electronic library that we want to use at the State Library of New South Wales. It is available at the State Library of New South Wales, this wonderful database or electronic library. So we want articles from JSTOR which are to do with these topic words. Got that? Okay, so here's what Google Scholar looks like. So just imagine that we type those words in. I've already done this. And here are the articles that we've come up with. So all of them, it worked. As you can see, we've got a whole lot of titles and it's telling us that they're in the database. Now, these aren't free PDFs. It does have PDF here, but you'll only get the first page of the article. So you really do need to go into the State Library of New South Wales. But it gives us an idea about titles. So just imagine we decide that we want to have a look at this article. Here we are at the State Library of New South Wales. We're going to put this term or the title in the search box and run the search. Great. Okay, so we would hit on the title. Now, if you've got a library card, you should have a library card, a public library card, Marrickville or whatever library you belong to. Hit this here and then type in the number. Once you do that, you will come up with that article. You will retrieve that article. Let me show you. Okay, I hit that link and I scroll down and this is what I'm told. These are all the databases that hold that article. I may as well click onto the JSTOR. I've just kept my library card number private, but here I am. I'm at the article. So we hit download. Just accept the very reasonable terms and conditions. And we wait for it to come up. And just a little tip, they often come up as a number, which isn't very useful. We want to download them with the title. It just varies. See, it's come up as a number. We want it to have the title when it lands on our desktop. Save it, or save it into a folder. Oh, okay, I must have downloaded this before. That's okay, so I'll just replace. So it's as simple as that. You've got this video to track those steps. So remember, Google Scholar, well, you've got your search terms. Put the search terms in Google Scholar with the database name JSTOR, run the search. You'll get a whole lot of articles that are in JSTOR. And then you go to the State Library of New South Wales and you use your public library card with its number to access those articles. Okay, all the best. Any questions, just email me. Bye for now.